This is like Elon Musk streaming his gameplay. Oh, I'm not a poser. All right, guys, we're playing another skate mission. I'm gonna see if I can upgrade. And ooh, that was not a good start. I gotta run back a little bit, and we gotta start this out proper. Actually, I need to start on my board, so let's set the session marker. We're gonna upgrade our character here in skate. And I'm gonna start out with a 5-0 on that rail. Kickflip out first try, let's go. Let's see if we can get kickflip front nose grind first try. Kickflip front nose grind. Shove out. That's okay, whatever, we take it. We want to get that front tail though. Yes! Front tail tray flip fakie. I think I need to go over here because I haven't done these challenges over there. What drives me nuts in this game is I'm constantly trying to like get to other places. But I must say, I do love this game and I'm having an absolute blast playing it. Oh, this sledge is sick. Heel flip, back 5-0, varial heel flip out. I will take it. Aaron Cairo, sponsored skateboarder from the San Francisco Bay Area, playing skate, period. Not skate 4, guys. Okay, let's go. Oh no. Blunt slide or nose blunt behind the bench. They're really getting serious on this. I need to learn how to blunt slide. That was not it. That was a wheelie grind. Leave it in the comments below if you guys love and or hate wheelie grinds. That was a front nose slide. Okay, maybe like left and then swipe down. Guys, tell me how to blunt slide. There it was. Okay, I think I know how now. This is like Elon Musk streaming his gameplay. This is the best comment of the day. Look at that, look at that. Kickflip. Okay, love it, love it. Frontside blunt in air. Down, down, and like that. Oh my goodness. That's what is good about these challenges. They make you learn new tricks. Imagine if we had challenges like this in real life that literally make you learn new tricks. Wouldn't that be sick? Okay, I'm front blowing this thing all day now. What? Come on, I know you stopped, but kickflip out. Yes. Yes. Legendary. Now I have to grab down the stairs, right? And yes. I shut it down. First try, the second I got the blunt, I shut it down. The thing that I'm most stoked about in this game recently, right now, actually, are the grabs. I think I should just go to a part where there's a ton of jumps and just do grabs like my life depends upon it. Because quite factually, it does. That, literally, how sick is that? I want to do the next one. Wow, there's lots over here. Let's go, the headline. The OG himself, Mr. Cairo, landed my first pop shove it. Thank you, man. This is what skateboarding is about. It's about supporting others to learn new tricks and keep it going. I don't care whatever you guys got to say. We got to keep pushing skateboarding no matter what. Oh, I didn't know there was grind there. 14 bearings. I don't know that I can get 14 bearings, guys. Is this one hard? Someone in the chat just said good luck with this one. Held flip trick done. Okay, supposed to do a bunch of grinds. That was the worst wheelie I've ever seen in my whole life. And then we're going to this ledge right here. We're gonna nose grind it. Can you imagine doing a nose grind like that? Ooh, 180 out in the middle the hard way. And then you literally can't go up 2 stairs. Isn't skateboarding just so annoying sometimes? I've only got 8 of 14. That's why they're saying good luck on this one. I guess there's a lot to do. No way. Best ledge in the whole game. If that was real life, I would be manualing this all day long. And good line. Keep playing to complete all the goals. Okay, 3x multiplier, held flip trick grinds. Oh, I need to get more points. Okay, so I just need to do that same thing with more points. Somebody said you're pretty good at skating in real life. Thank you. I appreciate that. I try. Best ever. Okay, I'm gonna take it. Points. Dang it! Would you say this game is good? I would say this game is better than good. I mean, I know a lot of people are complaining about this game and they're saying it's not realistic. I don't want a skate game to be realistic. I want it to be fun. And to be completely honest, this thing is freaking fun. I mean, you know, there's a lot of people playing this game right now And I just think this might have just revitalized the entirety of skateboarding, literally. And that was PJ Loud's Wonderful Horrible Life Sickness. Leave it in the comments below if you guys have seen PJ Loud's Wonderful Horrible Life. And if you haven't, you're gonna need to watch it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Can we get an ollie flip out? No, we can't. Oh, well. Look, I already made all the points. Now I just need to get the bearings and we're good. So they were saying good luck on this one. And we got it. And my favorite trick is back. The method. Can you imagine you're in tail stall and you do a kickflip grab and then land back in tail stall? Wait, I did it all of the above. Why is it taking me back here? I did them all. I got the points, held the flip trick. Oh, that was sick. No, are you kidding me? That was so stupid. You missed the 6 grinds. Are you serious? There's 1 grind. 2 grinds. I mean, does it count if I'm like, is that like, did I just do 5 grinds? Wait for it, backside flip out. That's how I skate in real life, nearly stop. I'm getting better at controlling the guy. We're gonna take a win on that, and that's a trick I'd love to do in real life. And could do in real life. Good line. Keep playing to complete. Guys, no way. Which one did I not do? So you're saying this one is hard. Kickflip 5-0 double flip out. That is one trick that I never did in my whole life, and I probably should do that. Should I film a new video part? Leave it in the comments below. Okay, let's run this. Kickflip back 5-0. It's a nose grind. It's a back tail. No. That's a trick I want to do in real life. Like back 5-0 to switch nose grind. And we're going to get this last bearing, and then it's going to say, hey, you didn't do all the challenges. Oh, front lip, big flip out. What? No, I did it. Shut it down.
You are the objective.
You are an objective assassin. Wait, look at this. Look at this. How sick was that? Instant replay. Let's go. Where are we? That one there? You know how we do it in skate. Oh, sorry. Okay, speed check. Flip tricks, power slide down the hill. I don't know how to power slide. 180 spin, all of the above in an attempt. Let's run this. Is that a power slide? I love when I fall and I go straight to my face. Just like in real life. Whoop, whoop. I guess I do know how to power slide. Like that. Okay, power slide down the hill. No, I missed that somehow. Okay, power slide. How do you power slide? How do you power slide, you guys? Backside power slide? Oh, left stick like that? Okay. Sick. I'll take it. Ready? We finally made it. Infinite kickflip. Oh, we're gonna method this. Good line. We did it. We finally did it.
Thanks.
That is the best right there. The tweaked method grab is my favorite. Dude, I'm just slaying these objectives. On to the next one. Where are we at? What? I didn't even realize you could run. Guys, you can run. Otherwise, just do this. That guy's got sick grip tape, which means he's really good at this game. Okay, we gonna get it.
It's good to test your stuntwood skills.
Okay, let's go. Best sequence, grind, hippie jump the railing, flip trick over the railing. I suck at jumping upstairs, apparently. Okay, hippie jump. First try, owned it. Grind the ledge. Dang it. Okay. Oh, wow. You guys weren't kidding about that. Flip trick over it. Okay, now best sequence, 400 points. Okay, let's get this. Okay. Come on. Shut it down. That was the worst way to shut it down ever. But you know what? When you shut it down, you just gotta Shut it down. I'm almost to beating this stage, which means, I believe it means I will level up. So I want to go to that thing. Okay, let's get this. Yep, first try. I need to get up there, right? How do I get up there? If this is real life and this is underground, like, I would definitely skate this bank. I would come to this bank and I'd be like, kickflip. And then that's probably all I would do. We made it. Okay, best sequence, grind, 360 pop shove it, all of the above in one sequence. Dude. I was thinking, I got this first try. Nope. Dang it. Put a kicker ramp. No, I'm not trying to put a kicker ramp to make it easier. I'm not a poser. I'm getting this first try right here. I was like, you know what I need to do? I need to 3-shove onto it. And then I did, and it worked, and that was sick. Done. On to the next one. So what do I do now? I go to the skate park? Okay, I'm gonna do some tricks on this. And backflip, Christ air. First try. And yes, I'm counting that as a land, because I fully landed. I wonder if I can grind and then backflip out. What in the world? Yes! No, why did I do that? I feel if I get this, then we're on to, this is next level. Yes! And let's, no, what happened? Yeah, I got, will accept your friend request. Yeah, I'll take it. Let's see, backflip. Land it. What? Yes! Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes, you, learn to ride a skateboard. I'm making these skateboard videos for you to get inspired to learn how to skate in real life. I'm gonna teach you how to skate in real life. Monkey720, give me a dance. Dance us out of here.